What's up EDC fellas, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a knife that's as bold as its name suggests. This is the CMB Dagon. Named after a mythical sea god, this knife is all about blending unique design with everyday functionality. So whether you're a collector or just looking for a new addition to your EDC rotation, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Alrighty, here's what you get in the box. As usual with CMB knives, more premium knives, let's say, the stickers, the little info sheet about CMB, and handling the products. Pause to read if you'd like. And a little spec sheet with some info on the design. And here it is, the Dagon, if that's how you pronounce it. Like, names of knives are getting just crazier. Who knows how to pronounce them? Well, that's how the world is today, I suppose. So here's the nice orange CMB cleaning cloth, and here is the Dagon. Gotta love those stickers. Oh wow, gotta rip it. Whoa. Straight out of the box, that's a killer design. I kinda even have to open it up, and that looks super insane. Whoa. Alright. That is cool. That is cool. That is actually really cool. What I've noticed is that it's pretty slim for the size. I don't think it's slimmer than other knives, but let's check the specs just in case before I say anything too stupid. Dagon is 8.26 inches long, the blade length is 3.62 inches, blade width is 1.06 inches, and the blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters, and the length of 4.64 inches. So a bit on the larger end of knives. The blade material is M390, blade surface black, whatever, I mean black, well that's precise. The handle surface is blue, which means this is just anodized titanium, and the weight is 3.66 ounces. So pretty good specs on this thing, and let me check the price straight away. The price is $214, so not a bad price for a titanium knife of this size. What I've noticed straight away is the flipper tab. I'm not sure how well you can comprehend the size, but that is a tiny flipper tab, which is actually pretty cool, because some people say that the flipper tab ruins the design because it sticks out so much. Like over here, you can't even tell it's there pretty much, and it works just as well as the larger ones. It is frame lock for all of you fans of frame locks out there. And look at that pocket clip. Whoa. It fits nicely with the design. I always love to see that, like when the pocket clip is like a part of the design and not just like thrown on there. The other thing I would like to mention is the designer. This one is designed by Bolt Vision. I'll try to put his Instagram up on the screen or in the description so you can check him out. But overall, the design is extremely cool. You can see kind of the sweep on the handle continuing onto the blade. That is also really cool to see, like handle flowing into the blade, if you know what I mean. The ergos, super comfortable, like super comfortable. This part of the handle goes pretty deep, so you can really get a good hold of the handle. The jimping, I'm not sure. That is not jimping. Is this like a... I'm not sure what that's for. Like there's like a small jimping, but am I just dumb or something? I mean, sure. Overall, a really cool design, but of course I do have some downsides. Not every design is perfect. So these are minor things, but I would like to mention them for you. So what I usually like to do, this is just personal preference, with my flippers is open them like this instead of flipping them. This might be weird if you see this first time, but I don't know, I think it's more comfortable. Over here, you can do it, but as you can see, not always, because the tab is so small. Again, this is not malfunction, this is just, you know, weird me, I suppose. But the downside that might, you know, be a bit tedious is the frame lock. It's pretty slim design, and I'm not sure if you can pick it up, this part, due to it milling on the inside. You can get to the tab easier, but since it's so slim, it's kinda sharp. It's not sharp, but not sure how to explain it, but you know, it's thin and it's metal, so it's like you're pushing a thin metal. You know, not the most comfortable thing, but you know, if you don't have like soft fingers, I'm sure nothing will happen to you. But I just wanted to mention that. So these are really minor things. Overall, it's a really cool design. If you dig some more, you know, I wouldn't call them crazy, but you know, different designs, I would encourage you to check this one out. So let's hop to the conclusion. The CMB Dagon is a standout in the EDC world. It offers a unique design that doesn't compromise on functionality. With its M390 steel blade, ergonomic titanium handle, and a reliable frame lock, it's a knife that's ready for whatever your day or adventure throws at you. It's definitely not your budget option, but you get the good deal for the price. Is the CMB Dagon the right knife for you? If you're after something that's going to stand out while still being functional and can afford it, I'd say it's definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining me for today's review. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on the gram. This way, you do your part to keep the content going. And I want to hear from you as always. What do you think of the Dagon? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay sharp and be awesome.